Hi there, Ivica here. This video is about my exercise of pronunciation. But by the way, I have topic for this video. Topic is what was web, what is now web, what is web today, and what will be web. Okay, what was web? I spoke in my video, my last video. I spoke about I spoke what is web, yeah. But in beginning, web was one web pages or more web pages, and it is only for text. Very fast will be for photography and for video, but first phase of web, it was web pages. We spoke about web pages, not web application, web pages. And in beginning, it was only text. The second phase, very fast coming database on the web because of bank like computer, because bank means calculator. It is a number, and computers is calculate number operation, and bank is numbers, and bank is first big corporation who go in computerization and on the web also. We have, in that second phase, we have database, and we have a connection between database and web. Database is a relation database platform. It is a server, like web server. It is some kind, it is database server. And between that two server, we need a connection. It was PHP and other programs. And we have web pages. Web pages, for example, every query, every SQL statement, SQL is language of database, every SQL statement is one page, we can say. Okay, it is second phase, and today is that phase of web, and let's face it, is database, and because of that we spoke about cloud, because all our data is in cloud, in cloud, and people in corporation can access that database from every part on the globe. And what web will be? What will web will be? Web will be desktop application. Today, web is server and client. In the future, it will be as desktop application today. Would be only program, would be only software, would be only programs, and we don't speak about client. Better say server and client can be, but it will be very fast, and it will be binary. All would be binary. All would be binary, and there is no difference between desktop and web application. Today we use a script language, and not binary systems for complete system, but in the future it will be desktop. It will be as desktop application, and for that we need more energy, more resource. It must be broadband, very broadband, and technology it waiting us in the future. For example, in some town in Germany there is a Volkswagen, the biggest factory in the world, and produce 1,800 cars a day. They just are investing 50 billions of euro, and they invested in next 1,800, and they think about, and then having planned 2,000 cars in a day. As software is the main resource there. Robotic arms is not expensive. It is, but sensors and software is very expensive. And that factory, software in that factory is desktop software. Software is near that arms, and between software and that arms we have cables, electrical cable or optical lines, and it will be in the future web. In that moment when web would be like desktop, for example, that software, that kind of software, desktop software, as now Volkswagen software, can go in cloud, and can rent its service, and every people can buy or made robotic arms and engage robotic arms for some small his factory, in-house factory, and produce what he wants, and rent that software, rent software from Volkswagen. Thank you for watching, and if it is interesting to you, you can subscribe. Thank you. Bye.